Welcome to India, a land of stunning beaches and a seafood lover's paradise. From the golden sands of Gujarat in the west to the lush green coasts of West Bengal in the east, India's coastline stretches over 4,000 miles, each mile brimming with a unique seafood bounty. Let's start with Gujarat, known for its robust seafood cuisine, where the fish are as diverse as the people. The vibrant markets of Maharashtra, with their bustling stalls, offer an array of fish, shellfish, and other sea treasures. Here, the seafood is as much a part of the culture as the iconic Bollywood films. Further down, we reach the sunny shores of Goa, a place that perfectly captures the laid-back beach vibe with its multitude of beach shacks, serving up the day's fresh catch. Karnataka, with its rich coastline, offers a unique blend of flavors, where fiery spices meet the delicate sweetness of fresh seafood. As we move along the coast, we encounter Kerala, a state where seafood is a way of life. The cuisine here is a beautiful dance between the sweetness of coconut and the heat of local spices. Next, we have Tamil Nadu, a state where the love for seafood is evident in every home and eatery. Andhra Pradesh, with its spicy and tangy seafood dishes, is a must-visit for those who love a bit of kick in their food. As we continue our journey, the serene beaches of Odisha welcome us with their unique crab dishes, a testament to the state's love for seafood. Finally, we reach West Bengal, where the sweet waters of the Bay of Bengal bless the state with an incredible variety of fish, making it the ultimate destination for fish lovers. Each of these coastal states brings its own unique flavor, offering a seafood variety as diverse as India herself. The geographical diversity of this vast coastline impacts the seafood available, making each region a unique culinary adventure. So, prepare your taste buds as we embark on a culinary journey across India's coastline, one that's about to introduce you to a sea of flavors, a world of spices, and an unforgettable seafood experience. India's coastal waters are a treasure trove of seafood delights. This land, surrounded by the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean, is a bounty of marine life. From the shimmering silver of hilsa and pomfret to the earthy tones of mussels and clams, India's seas are a cornucopia of edible treasures. Imagine an array of fish, rohu, katla, and mackerel, just to name a few. Picture the crustaceans, prawns, lobsters, crabs, each more succulent than the last. Visualize the mollusks, oysters, clams, and squids, each a unique taste sensation. This is the bounty of India's seas, a feast for the senses and a paradise for seafood lovers. But the variety doesn't stop there. No two Indian coastal regions offer the same seafood treasures. The flavors vary, the preparations differ, and the experiences are uniquely delightful. From the fiery Andhra chili prawns of the south to the subtle, mustard-infused hilsa of the east, India's coastal cuisine is a patchwork of tantalizing flavors. Now let's talk about the magic of local spices. Indian cuisine is known for its vibrancy, and seafood is no exception. The aroma of curry leaves sizzling in hot oil, the tang of tamarind, the heat of red chilies, and the sweetness of coconut milk. Each ingredient plays its part in creating symphonies of flavors. These spices are more than just taste enhancers. They are the soul of Indian seafood, transforming simple marine produce into culinary masterpieces. And then there's the importance of freshness. In the world of seafood, freshness is king. The fish markets of India are a testament to this fact. As dawn breaks, fishermen return from the sea with their overnight catch. The markets come alive with the bustle of vendors and buyers, the air filled with the salty tang of the sea. The seafood is as fresh as it can get, often going from the sea to the plate in a matter of hours. This freshness is the secret ingredient, the one that elevates the taste of Indian seafood to a whole new level. So, what makes Indian seafood so special? It's the variety of marine life, the diversity of regional flavors, the magic of local spices, and the uncompromising insistence on freshness. Each coastal region of India adds its unique touch, resulting in a mosaic of seafood experiences that are as diverse as the country itself. The variety and freshness of India's coastal seafood are truly unparalleled. From the depths of India's seas to the kitchens of its coastal communities, a culinary adventure awaits. And this adventure is as rich, diverse, and exciting as India itself. So come along and dive into the bounty of India's seas. After all, every bite is a tale of the coast, a story of the sea, and a celebration of India's seafood bounty. Every region in India boasts its own unique seafood dishes. And today, we're going to dive into the world of Indian coastal cuisine, uncovering 3 iconic dishes that exemplify the country's diverse seafood traditions. First up is the butter garlic crab, a dish that's as decadent as it sounds. Hailing from the coastal regions of Maharashtra, this dish marries the succulence of fresh crab with the indulgence of butter and the pungency of garlic. The crab is first cleaned and boiled, then stir-fried in a pan with lashings of butter and handfuls of minced garlic. Add a squeeze of lime, a sprinkle of coriander, and serve it up with a side of buttered pav bread. The result is a feast for the senses. The tender crab meat, the rich butter, the aromatic garlic, all dancing together in perfect harmony. Next on our culinary journey, we venture to the sunny shores of Goa for a taste of masala fried fish. This dish is a testament to the Goan love for seafood and spices. Here the fish, often kingfish or pomfret, is marinated in a spicy paste made from red chilies, turmeric, garlic, and a tangy tamarind pulp. After soaking in this fiery marinade, the fish is coated in semolina and deep-fried to crispy perfection. Each bite of this dish is a celebration of contrasting textures and bold flavors. The crunch of the semolina crust giving way to the soft, flaky fish within, the heat of the spices balanced by the tang of the tamarind. Our seafood sojourn wouldn't be complete without a taste of India's beloved fish curry. This dish varies across the coastal regions, with each area lending its own unique touch. In Goa, the curry is infused with kokum, a sour fruit that gives the dish its characteristic tanginess. Over in Malabar, Kerala, the curry is rich with coconut milk and green chilies, while in Bengal, the curry is made with hilsa fish and flavored with mustard seeds and nigella. Despite these regional differences, all versions of the dish share a common thread: the tender chunks of fish simmered in a flavorful gravy, served piping hot with a mound of steamed rice. These are just a few examples of the delectable seafood dishes that await you in India. Each dish is a testament to the country's abundant coastal bounty and the culinary creativity of its people. From the buttery decadence of the butter garlic crab to the spicy crunch of the masala fried fish and the comforting warmth of the fish curry, these dishes offer a tantalizing taste of India's rich seafood tradition. So, whether you're a seasoned seafood lover or a curious foodie, there's a world of flavors waiting to be explored. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure like no other, one that promises to be as diverse and vibrant as India itself. Now, let's uncover some lesser-known but equally delicious seafood delights. First on our list is a delectable dish from the western coast of India, Gujarat, Karwa's fish thali. The Karwa community, traditionally seafarers and fishermen, have a culinary art that is a well-kept secret, and their fish thali is a testament to that. The dish is a vibrant ensemble of fish, usually pomfret or surmai, marinated in a tangy local vinegar, seasoned with a blend of spices, and then grilled or fried to perfection. What makes this dish unique is the play of flavors, the tanginess of the vinegar, the heat of the spices, and the freshness of the fish, all coming together in a harmonious symphony. The fish thali is traditionally served with hot, fluffy rice and a side of salad, simple yet bursting with flavors. Moving eastwards to the coastal state of Orissa, we encounter kankada jal, a spicy crab curry that will make you swoon with its rich flavors. This dish is a celebration of the crab, cooked in a thick gravy made from a blend of local spices, mustard oil, and a generous squeeze of lime. The unique flavor of the mustard oil and the tang of the lime perfectly balance the heat of the spices, making kankada jal a treat for the senses. It's not just about the taste though. Eating this dish is an experience in itself as you break open the crab shells and savor the tender meat within. While these specialty dishes are truly delightful, we must not forget about the charm of local dabas. These small, usually family-run eateries are the heart and soul of India's food culture, offering authentic, home-style cooking that is unpretentious yet deeply satisfying. The seafood at these dabas is always fresh, caught by local fishermen and cooked the same day. Whether it's a simple fried fish or a complex curry, the seafood at these dabas is prepared with love and a deep respect for the ingredients, making every bite a revelation. For instance, in the coastal states of Maharashtra and Goa, you'll find small dabas serving Konkani-style seafood, prawns in a tangy kokum curry, fish fry with a crispy semolina coating, or clams cooked in a fiery zakuti masala. Down south, in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, the dabas offer a different flavor palette, fish cooked in a tamarind and coconut gravy, fiery prawn roast, or squid fry seasoned with local spices. Each daba, each dish, tells a story of the region, its people, and their relationship with the sea. So when you embark on your Indian seafood adventure, don't just stick to the well-known restaurants or dishes. Venture out, try something new, something local. Visit the bustling fish markets, chat with the fishermen, eat at the dabas. You'll be surprised at the culinary treasures you'll uncover. These hidden gems offer a taste of India's rich and diverse seafood culture. India's coastline is dotted with destinations that are a seafood lover's dream. Let's embark on a journey to 3 top destinations that offer a unique seafood experience: Goa, Kerala, and Mumbai. First stop, Goa. Known for its sun-drenched beaches and vibrant shacks, Goa is the perfect place to savor the freshness of the sea. Imagine sitting by the waves with a plate of Goan fish curry, a tantalizing blend of local spices and fresh catch, or perhaps a serving of spicy prawn balcao, a fiery, tangy delight. The laid-back vibe of Goa's beach shacks, coupled with the tantalizing flavors of the sea, truly makes it a seafood paradise. Next, we move down the coast to Kerala. Here, the seafood journey takes a turn towards the exotic. Kerala's cuisine is distinct, with a generous use of spices and coconut. Picture a plate of Kerala-style prawns marinated in a rich blend of local spices and coconut milk cooked to perfection, or a bowl of fish molly, a mild, flavorful fish curry with thick coconut gravy. The diverse seafood offerings, from spicy to subtly flavored, make Kerala a must-visit destination for every seafood enthusiast. Finally, we head to the bustling metropolis of Mumbai. Amidst the city's urban charm, seafood takes center stage. From the famed fish thali at local eateries to the exquisite lobster thermidor at posh restaurants, Mumbai offers a seafood experience that is as diverse as the city itself. And let's not forget the iconic Bombay duck, a misnomer for a type of fish that is a must-try for any seafood lover visiting the city. These destinations offer an unforgettable seafood experience amidst stunning coastal settings. From the laid-back beach shacks of Goa, the spice-infused seafood paradise of Kerala, to the urban seafood magic of Mumbai, India's coastline is a culinary treasure trove waiting to be explored. Whether you're a seasoned seafood lover or a curious food adventurer, these coastal havens promise a flavorful journey that will leave you craving for more. India's coastal seafood is a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. We've navigated the bustling fish markets, savored the distinct flavors of each region, and discovered hidden gems that tantalize the palate. From the buttery goodness of garlic crab to the spicy tang of kankada jal, India's coastal cuisine is a symphony of flavors, each dish singing a unique coastal tale. Chef Ravi, our culinary guide, reminds us that the magic of Indian seafood lies in the freshness of the catch, the melody of local spices, and the stories they carry. Every bite you take is a journey through the coastal regions, a dance of flavors that speaks volumes about the local culture and traditions. So why wait? Embark on your own seafood adventure and savor the diverse flavors of India's coasts. Let each bite tell you a tale of its own, a tale as vast and diverse as the Indian coastline itself.